Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we're gonna look at some nail magic. I'm gonna do my nails and I wanted to use this hummingbird palette to do them with. Especially I want to use this shade. It's a multichrome. I've actually never used multichrome like eyeshadows on my nails, but I want to try it today. So I'm gonna use this shade, and I'm also gonna use this nail polish on my other nails. I think I'm gonna do 2 nails on each hand with this shade. So we're gonna start by putting on base coat. This is a Holo Taco base coat. This is pretty new to me. I've only used it once before, so I want to try it again. And we're just gonna put that all over, and we're just gonna put that on our nails. So that's the base coat. We're gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna start with this nail, and I'm gonna put the shimmer shadow on top of it. It's better to have something very like smooth that you can apply it with. If you have one of these eyeshadow applicators, they're very cheap. You can buy them anywhere, or sometimes they even come as a part of a palette. So if you have those, this is really great to pick up the shade, and also to kind of apply it to the nail. So first thing, we're gonna apply this nail polish. This one is from Miss Sporty, and it's the Wants to Shine in the shade 300, I think. And we're gonna apply it on all of our nails as like a first layer, and then we're gonna use this shade to top it off, because I think it's too like lightweight and it doesn't have enough pigment to actually cover the entire nail on its own, so it's gonna need some kind of base color underneath it. And this is a very nice like pastel-y purple shade that I really like. Okay, so the nails are finished, the first layer. So now we can take our little applicator, and we're gonna dip it in a little bit. And here you can see how she looks like. It's kind of like a purpley with a little bit of gold and orange in it. And we're gonna try to see how it's gonna look like. So we're gonna start with the ring finger. That looks very pretty. It's definitely very sparkly. And you have to make sure that you're gonna cover the entire nail so that the base color doesn't shine through, and that everything is covered properly. Okay, so this is how it looks like when it's done. As you can see, I've got a little bit on my like cuticle area. That's completely okay. Once you put the top coat on and you will clean your nails, and you will wash them, the excess shadow on the cuticle area will just get washed away, so that's okay. And then we're gonna take some kind of brush that you don't use on your face and that's clean, and we're just gonna go over the nail and like kind of go around and make sure that there isn't any like dust on the nails, because once we're gonna put the top coat on it, we don't want the eyeshadow to get stuck into the top coat bottle, right? So make sure that you're gonna get it everywhere, and then you can top coat it. So I'm also gonna put the shadow on this nail, and then we're gonna top coat. By the way, if you want as much shine as you can get, it's best to put these shimmer shadows on top of black nail polish, because that really makes it shiny and it really shows everything inside the shimmer, like all the little glitters and all the all the different colors. So that's the best idea. I just didn't want it to. Don't know where my black polish is, and I didn't want it to find it, and I didn't want it to go looking for it. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, so I actually couldn't resist, and I had to put the eyeshadow all over my nails. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing on my other hand, and we're gonna top coat it. So all I did was again to apply the shade and to apply the shadow, and then I just kind of cleaned it up with this little brush. And now we're gonna put top coat on. I wouldn't recommend using your favorite top coat for a very specific reason. Even though we've cleaned the hands, there could still be some kind of particles, and you don't want to get that into your favorite top coat. So I would just recommend using top coat that works for you. That's not like a horrible top coat, but it doesn't have to be your favorite top coat. So I have this one from She. It's just regular, like fast drying top coat. And one thing that you should also know, if you're using eyeshadows on your nails, sometimes when you put top coat on, it creates a little bit of streakiness on the nails. So use a lot of top coat and try to do just like one swift coat. You know, don't go all around the nails all the time, because that can create streaking. So that's just a little bit of a tip, and we're gonna try to use it, see if it's gonna work. Make sure that you properly cover the nail so that once you're gonna go wash your hands, none of the shadows will disappear. And yeah, try to be very consistent with the way you apply it. There is a little bit of shadow on the tip of the brush, so you can have like some kind of paper towel or something that you can clean it with, so that you're not putting any like dirt back into your top coat. So I will just apply it all over the on each of the nails, and then I'll come back and show you the result. So this is how the nail look like. I don't know if you can see all the shifts in it. I'm really trying to show it, but it's very, very sparkly. It has a little bit of like yellowy green like reflection in it, and it is this like the base is like this beautiful lavendery color. I really like how it turned out. I did have a little bit of like streaking. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a little bit of streaking when I was applying the top coat, but so far so good. I definitely, it's very sparkly and it's not that obvious. So I would definitely recommend you trying that if you have especially like some kind of older palettes that maybe are not that amazing on the eyes anymore, or if you have eyeshadows that don't work for you on the eyes, you can definitely use them on your nails, and it's a really fun way how to use your collection a little bit more, how to get a little bit more uses out of your collection, and how to have fun with your nails. Because I don't know how about you, but I love having colorful nails, but I hate shopping for nail polishes, so I usually just substitute it with my eyeshadows. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show you in different lighting as well. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Let me know if you've ever tried something like this, or if you would want to try something like this, that would definitely I would definitely recommend you trying something like this. It's a lot of fun, and it definitely helps you to use your collection a little bit better. So yeah, that's it, and have a great day, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.